One of the biggest challenges of successful angel groups, in my view, is the identification of quality deal flow. And there's a number of things that we've evolved to help us do that. The sources of our deal flow are actually reasonably balanced through the three main sources, which are referrals, through regional VC conferences, and unsolicited deals. We have a selection committee with domain expertise in our four major areas that look at all of the deals that are brought to our attention and identify initially which ones that we think that are worth further pursuit, and then we start drilling down on those. We usually down select from a few dozen down to two companies to present at our dinner meetings. At the dinner meetings, they do a summary of their business plans. We get a sign-up sheet for those members who are interested in learning more about it, followed by, in close proximity, a follow-up meeting with the entrepreneurs, primarily in a Q&A session, that allows us to drill down on whether or not we really think that it is a deal that we're interested in taking into due diligence and hopefully subsequently investing in. If at those meetings we determine whether or not we do want to take it into due diligence, if so, we identify members we identify the key issues for due diligence, volunteers, members who will take charge of each element of the due diligence, and a timeline to bring the due diligence back together and a conclusion as to whether and to what extent the members want to invest. Statistically, about 3/4 of the companies that are presenting at the dinner meeting do go into due diligence, and about 50 to 60% of the companies that we bring into presentation meetings get funding. The other things that we've done, and Sierra Angels has been very proactive in this, is we collaborate with other angel groups on sharing deal flow and sharing due diligence on deals that either or both of us like, and on adding domain expertise by sharing across multiple angel groups. We have some examples of two in life science areas, one called Priya Diagnostics and one called Reginamed, where either 3 or 4 angel groups have collaborated together and making certain that those two excellent deals do indeed get sufficient funding to enable them to fully meet their business plans.